Hello dear children, the main concept for making these videos with lot of effort is don't memorize signs, visualize and understand. That's why I am giving you so many pictures, definitions and many detailed notes so that you understand properly. Today we are going to start with formula of simple compounds which is related to lesson 3. This is part 2 video, previous theory video, the concept video I have sent you before also. Today we will learn how to make the formulas of simple compounds. For this you have to refer page 37 table 3.6, page 51 table 4.1 and this you have to revise again and again these both tables which are given in your textbook on the referred pages. So you have to keep your textbook these referred pages open to make the simple compounds formulas. The simplest compounds are which made up of two different elements and they are also called as binary compounds. ये simple elements से बनते हैं two different elements से and they are also called as binary compounds. So here first of all I will start with the example which is given in your textbook already. Formula for hydrogen chloride. So we will check the valencies. It is given on page 37. We will look here. Hydrogen is having 1 plus sign. Symbol is H and 1 plus, that is cations and anions, negative as well as positive signs. And for the chloride also 1 negative sign is given. So only 1 is given means we will to refer it as number 1. So here we will write below H its valency is 1, below chloride its valency is 1 and then we will do the cross multiplication. So after cross multiplication H is having 1, Cl is having 1. So we don't use the number 1. So simply we will write the formula for hydrogen chloride, that is HCl. Now we will make the formula for hydrogen sulfide compound. So here symbol we know, we will again refer to table number 3.6. Here you can see hydrogen already, it is 1 plus sign, previously also we made. For sulfide we have 2 negative signs, that is anions is 2. These are ions. How many ions are present? That is cations and anions. So sulfide has 2. So what we will do? Below it we will write number of ions. H has 1, S has 2. Then we will do cross multiplication. After cross multiplication, as I told you, we don't write number 1. So H is having 2. So here we will write H2 and S will be single. So H2S is a formula which we get for hydrogen sulfide. So here we now come to make the formula of carbon tetrachloride. This example is also given in your textbook. So first we will check the valency of the ions. Chloride already we have seen chloride is having 1 ion, that is anion negative. But now what about carbon? Carbon is not given in the table, so which I had told you to refer page number 51 also. Here you can see the valency of carbon is given here 4. So here we will write the valency of carbon 4 and chloride is 1. So again we will do cross multiplication. So after cross multiplication, C is having 1, Cl is having 4. The charges are exchanged. Remember these are the charges of cation and ions. So these charges are exchanged. That's why we are doing cross multiplication. So we get the formula carbon is coming 1, Cl 4. So this is the formula for carbon tetrachloride. Now here we will make the formula of sodium nitrate. So here the symbol for sodium is Na and nitrate is NO3. Okay, these are the number of atoms. So we will refer the table and we will see for the sodium as well as nitrate. You can see here 1 is there, 1 ion is present here and as well as sodium also 1 ion is present. So we will write 1 for this and 1 for this and again we will do cross multiplication. Now while cross multiplication, children, don't think that this 3 will also be exchanged. This 3 will remain with oxygen. This is the number of atoms present in nitrate of oxygen. तो हम ये 3 को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे, हमको सिर्फ इन जो नंबर्स है इनको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है. वी आर सपोज टू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई दीज नंबर्स विच आर विद द सिम्बल्स ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स दे आर नॉट टू बी डिस्टर्ब एट ऑल. सो हमारा फॉर्मूला बनेगा NaNO3. सो दिस विल बी द फॉर्मूला मेड. वी डोंट यूज़ द नंबर 1, तो हमारा फॉर्मूला 3 ऑक्सीजन के साथ ही रहेगा. Children, now we will make the formula of calcium hydroxide. Children, you have to remember the symbols properly. Ca for calcium, OH for hydroxide. We will again refer the table here. Calcium, you can see cations are 2 plus, means 2 are present, plus 2 positive signs, and hydroxide you can see 1 negative signs, and ions are there. So here for Ca we will write 2, OH we will write 1. So now you have understood the formula will be CaOH twice. 2 लिखते हैं तो ये हमारा फॉर्मूला बनेगा CaOH twice. अब मैंने ब्रैकेट क्यों डाला है? सपोज यू राइट द फॉर्मूला लाइक दिस. सो दिस रिप्रेजेंट CaOH2. 2 रिप्रेजेंट्स ओनली फॉर H. अगर हम बिना ब्रैकेट के लिखते हैं तो इसका मतलब होता है कि 2 सिर्फ H के साथ है और किसी के साथ नहीं है. जबकि हमारा यहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंट हुआ 2 विल गो बोथ विद O एंड H. हाइड्रोक्साइड पूरे के साथ जा रहा है एलिमेंट के साथ. अगर हम बिना ब्रैकेट के लिखेंगे तो यहाँ पे दिखाएगा वो सिर्फ H2 के साथ है. O इज़ नॉट. सो दैट्स वाई वी आर पुटिंग अ ब्रैकेट so that 2 is representing for O also and for H also. So our formula will be CaOH twice. OH twice means मतलब वो पूरा OH हमने 2 बार किया है. So this is our formula for calcium hydroxide. Now here we make the formula of compound ammonium sulfate. So here we refer symbols you have to remember, as well as by looking here symbols you will remember. Ammonium is for symbol is NH4, but NH4 is the number of atoms with hydrogen. Children, remember this. And it has only 1 cation, 1 plus sign is there. And then 2 are the sulfate and sulfide. So don't get confused. We have to go for sulfate. The formula for this is SO4. SO4 stands for sulfate. But उसमें number of anions हैं 2 negative. ठीक है? तो हमारे पास अमोनियम के लिए 1 है और सल्फेट के लिए 2 है. सो हमने यहाँ पे लिखा अमोनियम 1 एंड सल्फेट 2. वी विल डू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो अमोनिया के पास 2 आ गए और SO4 के पास 1 आ गए. तो 1 तो लिखा नहीं जाएगा, तो हम ऐसे लिखेंगे NH4 2 SO4. सो दिस इज़ नॉट करेक्ट. रीज़न वी हैव टू पुट अ ब्रैकेट लाइक दिस. रीज़न इज़ वॉट दैट इफ़ मैंने जैसे कि आपको पहले भी बताया, अगर हम 2 लिखते हैं तो सिर्फ H के लिए जाता है, पर ये हमने ब्रैकेट डाल दिया. मीन्स 2 इज़ रिप्रेजेंटिंग फॉर द होल अमोनिया फार्मूला. सो दैट इज़ वाई वी नीड टू पुट अ ब्रैकेट. एंड 4 2s इफ़ वी पुट तो इट विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड. 4 2s 6 यानी 6 हो जाएगा सिर्फ हाइड्रोजन के साथ और N के साथ कुछ नहीं होगा. सो दैट्स वाई हमने ब्रैकेट डाला. मतलब 2 इज शोइंग कि वो N के साथ भी है, H4 के साथ भी है. सो आवर फार्मूला फॉर ammonium sulfate will be NH4 twice SO4. So here now I will show you the formula for sodium oxide. This is the question in your textbook. So one I am showing you, that rest you have to do on your own, as so many I have explained. So we will again refer the table here. You can see sodium is symbol is given and it is having 1 cation, and then oxide is also there which is having 2 anions. So here we will write for sodium 1 oxide 2. We will cross multiply. Then sodium will have 2. The charges are exchanged. Oxide will have 1. So here is our formula Na2O. So sodium oxide formula is made here as well. Other questions are also there on page number 39, which you have to solve on your own. Now that's all, children, for now. In next video I will explain you about the molecular mass and mole concept. Till then, try to practice more and more making of formulas.